Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, Marksheet. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Lesson 10 discussions. So let's see our today's class. Class 6, subject English first paper, topic Lesson 10, discussion, term annual, lecture 21, teacher's name Ariful Islam. This is my messenger ID, mobile number, today's date 1/12/2020. So let's start the class. Topic Lesson 10, remedies, modern and traditional. Remedies means cure, and traditional means conventional. So annual term, lecture 21. Read the following passages and then answer the questions below it. People around the world are slowly changing their attitude towards medicine. More and more they are turning to natural cures. Natural cures are made of natural things, most often herbs and plants. History says that natural or herbal remedies are nothing new. People use them all along in different ages. Herbal medicines were used to ancient civilizations like India, China, Greece, Egypt, and Rome. Some ancient treatment systems are still in practice today. They are coming down through generations. For a minor burn injury, the doctor may prescribe you a tube or banal ointment. But for the same, a rural grandma may put some aloe vera or honey on it. If children have cold in our country, grandmas give them honey and tulsi leaves to it. And it works too. If you have a minor cut or wound, grown-ups may put some turmeric, marigold or aloe vera on it. Rural people instinctively use garlic, neem or turmeric to cure skin problems. With experience, they have seen that these remedies work. Moreover, they are easy to get, are cheap and most often without any side effects. In absence of a doctor, people depend on these sorts of natural home remedies. Number 1, guess the meaning of the following words and choose the correct meaning closest to the text. So let's solve it. Number 1, A, cheap. Cheap means expensive, costly, high price, low price. So the synonym of cheap is low price. And number B, change means unchanged, still, alter, same. So change means alter. Number C, attitude means aspect, position, posture, mood. So attitude will be posture. It's a similar word by attitude is posture. Number D, natural means unnatural, artificial, normal, fake. So natural means here normal. Number E, cure means recovery, ailment, sickness, disease. So cure means calm down. This will be recovery. And ailment, sickness, disease are a similar term, similar words. Ancient means recent, old, aged, up to date. So ancient means old. Number G, civilization means barbarism, primitiveness, rusticity, civility. So civilization, similar word is civility. Number A is calm down. Number A is calm down, rise, decline, scaling, and climbing. Scaling means bearing something, carrying something. So calm down means decline. Number Y, generation means season, present, age, bearing. So generation means bearing. Injure means cure, healing, owned, drug. So injure means owned. Slowly means first, lazily, quickly, swiftly. Swiftly, quickly are the similar words, fast also the similar term. So lazily is the slowly means lazily. Experience means inexperience, the opposite of experience, knowledge, ignorance, immaturity. So experience means here knowledge. Okay, so that's all today, my dear students. Keep practicing at home, avoid your parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.